Good Monday morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Before we take a look at the forecast, I wanted to show you something that some folks brought to my attention last night. So I started getting reports that folks saw what appeared to be a meteor or a fireball or something in the sky last night. And I wanted to show you that our outside camera, one of our outside cameras here at the Weather Center, actually picked that up. And you'll see it in just a moment. Right over the tree line in just a moment, you'll see a fireball come in. I'm going to put my pointer near it. Right there it is, right there. So we'll play that one more time for you to see it. And I'll actually pause the video when it comes down so you can get a better look at it. But there's a fireball that shoots right across down along the tree lines there. And well, if I can get my video to play here, here we go. It's going again. And we'll let you take a look at that. And right there it is. I've got it paused now, and you can see that dot right there. That's the fireball making its way out of the sky. And don't know of any impacts anywhere, but certainly we'll keep an eye on that. So let's go ahead and take a look now at what's going on outside currently. We did hit 30 degrees in Salisbury this morning based on the temperature readings we got at the airport. Waiting to hear the official word from the National Weather Service, but most likely they will say that the growing season has come to an end in Rowan County. It's just a matter of those folks making it official, along with the climate office as well. So again, we'll wait to hear that, but it's currently 31 degrees in Salisbury. And as you look out toward the mountains, it's into the low 30s, upper 20s there. Out toward the coast, they're in the low to mid 40s. So certainly a very cold morning to start off the week for sure. We'll go ahead and take a look at what the models are showing for temperatures today. Let me go ahead and turn off the METAR and everything else, and we'll get the model data brought up here. So this is, of course, 7 a.m. this morning, and you can see 30s around the county. That's what the dark blues are. The lighter blues are, well, excuse me, the dark blues are low 30s, right around freezing and below. The lighter blues are upper 30s. So, and then of course the pinks and the purples, or the violets and the purples, depending on how you call it, are into the 20s. And the darker the shade of purple gets, the colder it is, so closer to the low 20s. So let's go ahead and take a look here. We're going at 8 a.m. And you can see we start to warm up into the mid to upper 30s. By 9 a.m., still in the mid to upper 30s. 10 a.m., we start to get into the 40s. 11 a.m., we are probably in the mid 40s. By midday, we're at mid to upper 40s. 1 p.m., still in the mid to upper 40s. 2 p.m., we start to get in the low 50s in areas around the county, but still some 40s going on even at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. This is now 3 p.m., and you can see we're finally in the 50s around the county. Now 4 p.m., 5 p.m., we start to go back the other direction into the 40s. 6 p.m., 7 p.m., starting to see some low 40s and some 30s creeping back in. This is now 8 p.m., 9 p.m., mainly 30s around the county. This is now 10 p.m., 11, and midnight. And just to get an idea, let's take our pointer and put it right around the Salisbury area. And you're looking at around 34, 35 degrees in Salisbury by midnight tonight, as we have another opportunity to get closer to, or get at the freezing mark once again. Now let's go ahead and take a look at weather impacts for today. Sunny skies during the daytime hours. We'll see northwest winds gusting to around 10 miles per hour. We'll see clear skies this evening with winds becoming calm. And you may have noticed last night that the sun went down a lot sooner. Well, of course, that had a lot to do with the fact that we had the time change yesterday that occurred really during the early morning hours of Halloween night going into the first day of November. And we'll see those sunsets get closer and closer to 5 p.m. as we make our way through the month of November. Sunset last night was at 5:27 p.m. And to give you some context, last Friday, it was around 6:30 p.m. So we'll continue to see that decrease as we go through the month of November. This coming Friday, sunsets at 5:23 p.m. Friday, November 13th, sunset will be at 5:17 p.m. On Friday, November 20th, sunset will be at 5:13 p.m. And by the last Friday in the month, Friday, November 27th, normally known as Black Friday, I guess it still is in this case, even though Black Friday seems to have been extended by a lot of the retailers here lately. But it'll be sunset will be at 5:11 p.m. on Friday, November the 27th. So we are getting closer and closer to a 5 p.m. sunset, and we could see the sun start to set prior to 5 p.m. as we enter the first half of December. Once we get to December the 17th, that is the shortest day of the year. That'll be our earliest sunset, and then we start to tick on the daytime hours again as we head toward the spring. The 5-day forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them at www.sasloop.com. Today, we'll see temperatures of only around 52 degrees under sunny conditions. Cold air is really wedged in place for us right now. Tonight, we'll see clear skies with a low of around 33. We could, again, see the freezing mark be attained by some areas around the county. We'll certainly keep an eye on that. Most likely, if the Weather Service says that we did officially go below freezing last night, a freeze warning will likely not be issued again, because the Weather Service typically only issues those one time, and then once you hit the freezing mark, they typically don't do that again. So we'll see. But on Tuesday, we'll see sunny skies, high of 62, clear skies Tuesday evening with a low of 37. Temperatures gradually increase as we move through the week with the warm front coming in. Sunny skies 66 on Wednesday, clear skies Wednesday evening with a low of 40. On Thursday, we'll see sunny skies with a high of 68, mostly cloudy skies Thursday evening with a low of 46. And then as we head into the beginning of the weekend on Friday, we could see a return to the 70s, partly sunny skies with a high of 70, and mostly clear skies Friday evening with a low of 48. So we'll certainly keep you updated on that as well. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with us throughout the day, you can check us out on our website at www.rowancountyweather.com, on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and on our cable television channel that we're part of. Thank you so much to our broadcast partners, WSRG TV in Salisbury. That's available on Hotwire and on Spectrum, and we'll keep you updated on all of those outlets. For now, enjoy your Monday, everybody, and stay warm. As always, thank you for following Rowan County Weather.